Why do we need to take another birth to pay the karmas of the past life? Have you ever wondered why people seem to lead a life filled with challenges while others seems to breeze through it very conveniently? Is it all just coincidence or there's something deeper at play? Something tied to past life, karmas, and so much more. Today we are exploring into the fascinating question, why do we need to take another birth to pay off the karmas of our past life? Hi and welcome to my channel. Life as we know it isn't just series of random events. Many spiritual traditions teach us that it's part of much larger cycle, birth, death, rebirth, driven by the concept of karma. Karma is often misunderstood. It's not about punishment or rewards, it's about balance and growth. When we live one life with unresolved karmas, unresolved trauma, we carry it into the next life, giving our soul another opportunity to learn and evolve. Let's break this down, understand why this cycle is so essential for our spiritual journey. Let's start and understand what is karma. Karma, as its core, is the law of cause and effect. Every thought, action, intention we create leaves an imprint in our soul. Positive action leads to positive karma, which brings growth and harmony. Negative actions fade. Negative karma leading to lessons that must be resolved to restore balance into your life. It's not about punishment, it's about accountability. Karma teaches us that our actions have consequences and our soul evolves by learning about these experiences in life. Now, why is karma carried over next life? In a single lifetime, we may not be able to resolve all the karma that we have created over many lifetimes. Life gives us more questions than answers, more lessons than we can learn in one go. Here is why rebirth becomes essential. Number one, complexity of karma. Karma is like a web, with every action creating multiple ripples. Some of these ripples take lifetimes to manifest. For example, you might have betrayed someone in a past life, and in this life you experience trust issues. Number two, limited time in one lifetime. Life is short. The soul's evolution is a long journey, a larger thing to experience and to do. There is little that we can experience, understand, and resolve in a single lifetime. Rebirth allows us to continue where we left off. Number three, opportunities for redemption and growth. Every lifetime offers a fresh start, a chance to rewrite the script. When we return back to Mother Earth, our school of learning, we are given new circumstances, relationship, contracts, lessons to work through unresolved issues. For example, if you wronged someone in past life, you might meet them again in a new role, such as a family member or a friend, to restore that balance that you lost in that life. Number four, soul contracts and lesson. Before birth, soul agrees to specific lessons they need to learn. These lessons might require multiple lifetimes to fully integrate if you are not ready to learn in this life. Rebirth ensures the soul fulfills this contract and gain the wisdom that it is seeking for, unless you decide to breach the contract. So what happens if you don't resolve the karma? A small tiny tip here, start wearing our beautiful release karmic baggage. This is a beautiful talisman that helps you release your karmic baggage from past life and help you take better decisions. Number two, start wearing Larimark. Even I'm wearing today. This is a beautiful talisman which helps clear our ancestral baggage from our past life. Both these talisman crystal bracelets are available on the website. The links are given in the description box. Coming back to what happens if we don't resolve our karmas. Unresolved karma doesn't just disappear. They accumulate, shape the circumstances for our future lifetimes, even our future in this life. Now, here is how it manifests. Number one, patterns in cycle. You must have noticed repeated patterns in your life, like similar challenges in relationship, similar challenges at work, in your professional life. These are the karmic cycles that need to be addressed. Number two, soul level imbalances. Unresolved karmas create imbalances that weighs on our soul. Until these are healed, the soul feels incomplete and seeks another birth to set things right. Number three, missed opportunities for growth. Each life represents unique opportunities to evolve. Ignoring karmic lessons delays the soul's progress, requiring more lifetimes to reach its full potential. Now, many people come to us, we tell them that you require healing in a certain area. There are very rare cases where healings are provided, but they know that they need healing, but still they would delay because of the some or the other pattern. That's how they delay their own growth in life. Now, how can we break free from this cycle? The ultimate goal is liberation and reincarnation. Number one, self-awareness. Reflect on your life patterns and challenges. Ask yourself what lessons these experiences are here to teach you. Number two, mindful actions. Make conscious choices that align with love, compassion, integrity. Every positive action reduces the karmic burden. That's how you become spiritually aware. Number three, forgiveness. Forgiving others and yourself is one of the most powerful ways to resolve negative karmas. Letting go of resentments break karmic ties very easy. Number four, spiritual practices, meditations, prayer, healings, clearance, energy healings can help you release karmic imprints, especially Akashic records heal. Practices like Akashic record reading can provide you insights into your unresolved karmas, your soul purpose, your soul connections, and whatnot. And the helix with Akashic records help you get aware and get aligned back to your soul purpose, giving you financial prosperity, abundance, and good luck. Number five, service to others. Act of kindness, selflessness. Service creates positive karma, helping you balance past actions. Rebirth isn't about punishment, it's about opportunities, opportunity to grow. You have an opportunity after listening to this video that you should get your Akashic record reading and your clearance done. And there is so much that you can learn from this channel. Evolve, read, learn, understand. Each life is like a chapter in a book, and every few years the lessons that are coming to us change and accumulate to the old lessons, and the burden feels heavier and heavier as you grow in age. Karma is a thread that weaves the story together. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Your soul is a path of learning, transformation, and every step brings you closer to your liberation. So if you're curious about your karmic patterns or you feel stuck in life, explore Akashic records, book your session with me. Together, we uncover the lessons your soul is here to learn, find ways to release the burdens holding you back. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more insights into your spiritual journey. Let's walk this path together. To book your reading, the link is given in the description box. You can directly book it from our website at www.sanskritisethi.com or hop on to our WhatsApp number +919634003939. See you in the session. See you tomorrow.